Hi, my name is Anna, and today we're taking a look at the Bella Pro Series 5-speed digital juicer. I'm excited to show you the ways that this can save you time when juicing and how easy it is for me to make juice. Let's get started. Opening up the box, the first thing on top is going to be your instruction manual. Then you're going to see the styrofoam protective pieces just in place to keep the machine safe. And then at the very bottom is your heavy-duty cleaning brush. Putting all that off to the side, I'm just going to take off all of this plastic wrapping. Now that I've got all of the plastic wrapping off, the first feature I want to highlight is the dishwasher safe parts. Everything on here except for the motor is dishwasher safe. It's going to save you cleanup time and you're not going to clog up your whole sink with dishes. The second feature that I want to highlight is the 3-inch wide feed tube. This feed tube is wide enough that you can put in most fruits and vegetables without having to chop and peel. The third feature I want to highlight is the 1000-watt motor and the 5 speeds. This motor is powerful enough that you can fit most of your fruits and veggies in without peeling, so you're not missing out on any of those nutrients that come in the peels and the greens. The 5 speeds break down like this. The first speed is for your soft fruits and vegetables like your mangoes and your watermelons. The second speed is going to be for citrus type fruits like your oranges and your grapefruits. The third speed is going to be for your harder fruits like apples and pineapples. And the fourth speed is going to be for leafy greens like celery and kale. And then the fifth speed is going to be for your hardest fruits and vegetables like carrots and beets. Now that we know a little bit more about this machine, let's try actually making some juice. You just want to make sure that the anti-drip spout is turned to the open position. Line the juice jug up under the spout and start juicing. The first juice that we're going to make is an orange and carrot juice. So I'm going to start with the machine on speed 2 for the oranges. You can see how it's separating the pulp from the juice. Next, we're going to go to level 5 and do the carrots. It looks so pretty. Next, I'm going to try making some green juice. We're going to use a green apple, a cucumber, and some celery. We're going to start with the apple on speed 3. Now we've got our green juice. My name is Anna, and again, this is the Bella Pro Digital 5-Speed Juicer. If you want to learn more about this product, click the link below to chat with a virtual expert like me, and even get a live demo. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.